Well, yes, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create these gradient shockwaves in After Effects. Okay, then let's rock. Hi to all, and let's get started in After Effects. And here I'm creating a new comp, but you can use this in your own projects or template. Alright, I'm using the regular comp size and 30 frames per second and 10 seconds duration. Adding a thing, as we all know, Video Copilot's Color Vibrance plugin has an effective color composite on their shockwaves, but it can't add gradients to the shockwaves. But we can without any third-party plugins. Alright, let's import our shockwave file, and of course you may think I will be using gradient ramp, but the defect is we can't blend our color, so what we are gonna do is adding the 4 color gradient effect. By the way, I'm using FX Console plugin from Video Copilot, which I use for my fast workflow. Okay, alright, as you can see, it still doesn't blend with the shockwave, so change the blending mode to overlay. It gives the best blend than other modes with the shockwaves. So that's it. Create your own gradients by playing with the anchor point, saying how many colors you want and what colors you need. Then rock on with the thing you learned, and this is the editor saying you to like, share and subscribe, cause it's all free. Thank you and have a nice day.